Today, we will discuss algorithms and fake news memes. What is an algorithm? In computer programming terms, an algorithm is a set of well-defined instructions to solve a particular problem. It takes a set of input and produces a desired output. How do computer algorithms work? Computer algorithms work via input and output. They take the input and apply each step of the algorithm to that information to generate an output. What is an algorithm used for? Algorithms are used throughout all areas of IT and computing. They can manipulate and process data and perform calculations or actions in various ways. This design layout provides the characteristics of an algorithm. Take a good look. Here is a detailed list showing how instructions must have the following characteristics to be considered an algorithm. Take your time and read through each and every one of them. What are social media algorithms? Social media algorithms are a way of sorting posts in a user's feed based on relevancy instead of publish time. Social networks prioritize which content a user sees in their feed first by the likelihood that they'll actually want to see it. What is the purpose of social media algorithms? Social media algorithms do the legwork of delivering what the user wants by weeding out content that is considered irrelevant or low quality to the user. Users are not able to sift through all the content on an account-by-account basis. Here is a tweet from Instagram where they explain what shows up first in your feed. Read through this information and decide for yourself what you think. Algorithms and fake news memes. Social media algorithms tend to push the most viewed content without checking if it is true or not, which is why they magnify the impact of fake news. Conspiracy theory videos get a great deal more traffic than accurate and properly sourced ones. Videos that are considered conspiracy theories, such as the ones that claim that moon landings or climate change are lies, tend to get far more views and comments than the more credible traditional media. There have been studies conducted regarding fake news. False stories are now spreading 10 times faster than real news, and the problem of fake news seriously threatens our society. Before 2015, Twitter's news feed showed tweets in reverse chronological order. The introduction in 2015 of their algorithmic news feed began to display tweets based on relevance. As with Facebook and YouTube, Twitter now relies on a deep learning algorithm that has learned to prioritize content with greater prior engagement. By combing through Twitter's data, the algorithm has taught itself that Twitter users are more likely to stick around if they see content that has already gotten a lot of retweets and mentions, compared with content that has fewer. If a tweet is retweeted, favorited, or replied to by enough of its first viewers, the newsfeed algorithm will show it to more users, at which point it will tap into the biases of those users too, prompting even more engagement, and so on. At its worst, this cycle can turn social media into a kind of confirmation bias machine, one perfectly tailored for the spread of misinformation. Fake news travels fast. The internet, algorithms, Websites, social media, and so on are intertwined together, and their relationship is becoming more and more complex. Technology is constantly evolving, and algorithms will grow and become more complex as well. We have all seen how fast false information can travel. We are in an era where so much information is accessible and right here at our fingertips. Be careful to do your research. Be sure that a source is reliable before believing it to be true. Fake news spreads fast, and many times a whole lot faster than the truth. Beware.